Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where today we are bringing you an extraordinary black and yellow luxury home that blends bold architectural design, modern living, and breathtaking aesthetics. This home is designed to make a statement from every angle, and in this full tour, we're going to explore every space, from the dramatic drone day views to the stunning interiors, the bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, TV lounge, swimming pool, and the fully equipped gym. So let's begin this incredible journey. We start our tour with a drone day view that instantly showcases the power of this house's architecture. The bold black and yellow color combination gives the mansion a unique identity, making it stand out while still maintaining a clean, luxurious presence. The sharp edges, the modern geometry, and the beautifully landscaped surroundings come together to create a picture-perfect exterior. From above, the symmetry and design details are simply breathtaking. As the drone lowers, we approach the main entrance, where large glass doors, warm lighting, and a strong architectural frame create a welcoming yet dramatic appeal. The entrance is designed to set the tone for the entire property, modern, bold, and elegant. Stepping inside, you immediately feel the openness and grandeur of the home. The tall ceilings and clean lines give the space a refined and luxurious feel. Moving forward, we arrive at the TV lounge, a space crafted for comfort and entertainment. The room features modern furniture, soft textures, and subtle black and yellow accents that tie beautifully with the overall theme of the house. The large LED TV wall creates a cinematic experience, making this room ideal for movie nights or relaxing evenings with family and friends. The ambient lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere, giving the lounge a perfect mix of style and comfort. Next, we transition into the living room, which is one of the highlights of this home. The living room is spacious, filled with natural light pouring in through large windows. The black and yellow interior elements have been used very tastefully, adding character without overpowering the calmness of the space. The modern sofa set, premium decor pieces, and warm lighting make this room both elegant and inviting. It's a perfect balance of minimalism and luxury. From here, we walk into the dining area, where a beautiful dining table takes center stage. This space is illuminated by a contemporary chandelier, creating a luxurious yet homely feel. Whether it's a casual meal or a formal gathering, this dining space offers the perfect environment for every occasion. The decor is simple, but the design details make it stand out, especially the subtle yellow highlights that blend seamlessly with the black elements. Just beside the dining area is the kitchen, and this is where the luxury truly comes alive. The kitchen features a large marble island, integrated appliances, high-end cabinetry, and modern lighting throughout. The black and yellow theme continues here, creating a bold and cohesive look. The open layout provides not only functionality but also a stylish atmosphere that makes cooking and hosting enjoyable. Every element of the kitchen is thoughtfully placed to ensure both beauty and practicality. Now we move into the bedrooms, each designed with comfort, privacy, and style at the forefront. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed, modern lighting, premium textures, and large windows that fill the room with natural light. The black and yellow theme is maintained with elegance, making the space calm, warm, and luxurious. The interior decor is minimal yet striking, creating a peaceful environment perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. The bathrooms in this home are designed like modern spa retreats, with marble floors, golden fixtures, glass showers, and high-quality materials. These bathrooms elevate your everyday routine into a luxurious experience. The contrast between dark tones and soft yellow accents adds a dramatic and stylish touch that immediately catches the eye. It's clear that no detail has been overlooked here. Heading outdoors, we reach the beautiful swimming pool area. The pool glistens under natural light, surrounded by a wooden deck and modern outdoor seating. This outdoor space feels like a resort, ideal for relaxing during the day or hosting gatherings in the evening. The clear blue water against the black and yellow house creates a stunning visual contrast that is both refreshing and luxurious. To complete the tour, we take a look at the gym, designed with motivation and performance in mind. The gym includes premium equipment, large mirrors, LED lighting, and a bold interior theme that makes the space energetic and stylish. Whether it's everyday workouts or serious training, this gym provides the perfect environment for staying fit at home. This black and yellow luxury house is not just a home, it's a full lifestyle experience. From the dramatic architecture to the beautiful interior design, from the comfortable bedrooms to the high-end amenities like the pool and gym, every element has been carefully designed to enhance the way you live. Thank you for joining us today on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning home showcases. We'll see you in the next episode.